You're watching How Leap. Let's see how to resize a photo on your Android phone without a computer. Open your gallery app and select the photo you want to resize. Tap the edit icon, usually a pencil or sliders. Look for a crop or resize option. If your default gallery doesn't have it, download a free app like Photo and Picture Resizer. From the Play Store, open the Resizer app, select your photo, and choose a resize option. You can set specific dimensions in pixels like 1000 times 1000 or select a percentage reduction. You can also choose a predefined size for social media like Instagram or Facebook. After setting the size, tap Resize or Save. The app will create a new, resized copy of your photo. You can then share it or replace the original. For quick edits in Google Photos, open the photo, tap Edit, then crop and rotate. Use the aspect ratio tools to constrain the dimensions, but this crops rather than resizes. For true resizing, a dedicated app is best. This process helps reduce file size for email or online uploads. For more simple Android photo tutorials, subscribe to the channel.